In this guide, references and RAG, retrieval, augmented generation, the feature that teaches PrepareBuddy's AI exactly what excellent and poor work looks like at your institution. Open the rubric and add a reference. Pick the judgment, here, an excellent example, paste the feedback, and explain why it earns that judgment, the level, the context, the reasoning. Save it, and it becomes a reference point the AI grades against. This rubric has 2 references attached, one excellent, one poor. Open each to review, regenerate the embeddings after any change, and manage your whole reference library, attaching examples to whichever. And that is adding references in PrepareBuddy's Evaluation Studio. Explore the rest of this series for the full work though, and get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.